Fucker want something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait! Away from me! Zappo agents!
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga.
Shit, man. Play it cool.
Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady-ass alley.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. It's in one of these lockups. It got to be this other one. If that wasn't it. My powers of deduction is telling me it's right there.
This is she.
Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
So you're trying to creep up in here, man?
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit! Vamos! Fucking down! Come on down, everybody! Come on down!
Hey, nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat. Find your bitch ass some cover. Shit, on your left.
Watch my back,
They got me pinned down. Shoot that gas can.
If you don't mind, dog, we'll be leaving.
Blast them people. Fuck, they must have heard some.
You're fucking
Shit.
dead!
Find your bitch.
Watch out, homie!
Ass some cover. Fool, I ain't making no friends out here, homie. Damn! Fuck! You give Buster some bad name.
I need some
Hit the fucking floor.
You so trigger happy, you will even blast a fucking milkman.
What? Nigga, I don't even like milk. Man, you got beat with an ugly stick. Get down, fool.
We need cover, home. Drop me like flies, eh?
Shit, on your left. Whoa! Oh, shit. Punk ass.
Yo, Vamos, come to hold me.
Sad motherfucker bitch. Wait in line, S.A. Homie, get out.
Know where to escape now.
You'll get PC'd up in the pen, nigga. These marks don't even know what we're here for.
You just blast they people. That might be why they irritated.
We don't even need to creep on these niggas. It's getting hot in this alley. Hit the floor, homie. Man, you make a buck look like a G. G's, keep your hand. Get those fools.
Oh shit, I'm out of ammo.
What was your daddy drinking when he skeets you out?
Just another day at the motherfucking office.
Let's keep it there.
Eyes on the scalpel is on me. Shoot up that cannon. Oh, shit! Follow me. Let's get through this. Damn, there's a gang of niggas out here. They got their whole hood with them.
You sure pick the right people to pick a fight with, nigga. Man, this is fucking crazy.
You, driving, right?
You crazy motherfucker. Why we have to pop all them people?
You was there too? Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah, but you started this shit, stupid.
Motherfuckers getting away from us.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh shit, Professor, you're right. Man, he's an uncoordinated motherfucker.
What the?
Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike you riding, stupid.
This punk get away, we going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that, Mr. 80s action movie body count motherfucker?
Don't play. What y'all? Don't play the blame game. Just get on this shit.
Oh, shit!
Man, you loco.
Fucking money, phone.
Man, watch that shit, homie.
Crazy. Oh, look.
Don't get careless, homie. We need to shoot him off the bike. A couple of scratches better than nothing. That's the bike we came for. We got it. Dog, we gotta lay low. Get the bike and meet me at the car wash on Innocence. What's going on?
Unbelievable.
All right, drive safe.
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro. You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie. You ain't lucky I ain't do a flying tomahawk and scalp they motherfucking ass.
We can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting chief asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'ma keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
You fucking tell him, you fucking moron!
Yo, shit. It's almost 100% drywall. That's a damn problem. All right, peace, homie. Goddamn, baby G. You can't handle yourself from the shoulder, fool. You ain't no man.
That ain't none of my business.
That's smart.
Yo, nephew was cracking. Yeah, I'm about to roll through.
All right, how you do?
How much weed you need?
You're coming to church.
Yeah, I can make that shit happen. Just be sure you got the paper. Motherfucker, I ain't running no charity. Have my cash in your hand.
I'm listening, I'm listening, I'm listening. Yo,
Damn.
be easy. Everybody calm down, it's gonna be all right, man. Calm down, be easy. Hey, motherfucker, I'm walking.